Most people who start calisthenics quit within 3 months, not because it's too hard, because they're doing it completely wrong. I'm going to show you the 5 mistakes that are silently destroying your progress and exactly how to fix them. Mistake number 1, jumping straight into training without warming up. Your muscles are cold, your joints aren't ready, and every rep you do like this is an injury waiting to happen. The fix? Just 5 minutes. Arm circles, shoulder rolls, wrist rotations. Do this before every single session, and your joints will thank you for years. Mistake number 2, chasing reps instead of mastering form. Swinging your body, half reps, bouncing off the floor. You're not building muscle, you're building bad habits. Slow down. Control every inch of the movement. Dead hang at the bottom, full pull at the top. 5 perfect reps will always beat 20 sloppy ones. Mistake 3, doing the same workout, same reps, same exercises, week after week. Your body adapts fast. If you don't challenge it, it stops growing. Full stop. Add 1 rep every week. Try archer pull-ups. Add a weight vest. Progress is not optional. It's the entire point. Mistake 4, training every single day, thinking more is better. Here's the truth. Muscles don't grow during the workout. They grow while you rest. No rest means no growth. It's that simple. Take 2 rest days every week minimum. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Eat enough protein. The rest day is where the real transformation happens. The 5th and most overlooked mistake, destroying yourself in training, then eating junk. You can't out-train a bad diet. Your body needs fuel to rebuild. No fuel, no results. Period. Eat 1.6 to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Prioritize whole foods, eggs, rice, chicken, fruits. You don't need to be perfect, just consistent. Let's recap. 1. Always warm up. 2. Form over ego. 3. Progressive overload is not optional. 4. Rest is where you grow. 5. Food is fuel, not a reward. Fix these 5, and I promise you, your results will be unrecognizable in 90 days. If this helped you, drop a like. It takes 1 second, and it helps more people find this. Subscribe to Calisthenics Ways for weekly calisthenics and mindset content. And if you want the exact beginner routine to start right, watch this next.